Oh, hello there guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Naka Market. It's actually been voted the best market in Phuket, I think. And yeah, we're going to have a little walk around. It's currently a Sunday, it's a weekend market. And we're quite excited, so let's go.
Let's go.
So look, you've got yourself some beer, yourself some belts. Beer and a belt.
Bills and belts and hair clips.
Yeah, hair clips. Yeah, we love the fake goods. I just bought a wallet. I was in the market for a wallet, and I'm not really too into like the whole like LV and stuff. So I just bought a Vans one, a real one.
Oh, yeah, like we were saying, got your Nikes.
I mean, these might be real, to be fair.
Your Under Armour.
I'm just looking, man. I'm all right, thank you.
Lots of jewellery bits. Got your Ray-Bans.
Hello.
They're really nice.
Really?
Yeah, pull your mask down quickly. Give us a look. Oh, cute.
Thank you.
I got,
oh,
those are the black frames. Did suit you though.
Yeah, I quite like them. I just don't. I'm not too much of a sunglasses homeboy. These are the trouble.
If you had any, you'd wear them.
These are the
oh,
ones.
look at these.
These are the. What are these? They're like the whole like. Ding, 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 ding.
Oh, like the yeah.
Cool.
Like the gangster ones.
Yeah.
Gucci.
Kids Gucci on Gucci.
Gucci. Phuket. Harley Davidson.
Patagonia.
What? Balenciaga. Patagonia. Calvin's.
Yes, if you are in the market. I mean, a lot of people do go on holiday to like.
Swaddy car. What were you gonna say?
A lot of people do go on holiday purely to get like fake cheap goods, don't they? So if you're in the market.
Definitely come to Naka Market.
And there's a skate park as well.
There is a skate park. Cute outfit. Crochet stuff.
Very cute.
With Calvin's again.
Mercedes.
Sportswear.
Mercedes Bonds.
Why would you go to the normal shops when you can literally just get?
Most of it's probably made in the same factories that like the real stuff's made.
Yeah, I mean, this is all padded as well.
Come in and get all your bling.
Yeah.
Can't you?
Get your fake Cartier bracelets.
Rolexes.
Wild. There's a lot of them, isn't there? Big clocks as well.
Just sat down for a water. Notice they've actually got their own brand of water, which is pretty cool. One thing about this place is that there's a lot more Westerners, a lot more tourists here than any other market we've been to previously. So yeah.
Not as so much a local one, I guess.
Not as much of a local market, no, exactly, Serena. Much more of a
touristy attraction market.
Yeah. Remember them as a kid? Smiley
Oh
faces.
my god, yeah. And chicken nuggets.
Chicken
Lot of
nugs.
fried food
How
there.
random is that? So random.
Chicken sausage corn dog.
Yeah.
A lot of beige food.
A lot of beige, yeah.
Got our favourite satay.
Oh, look at that for a sausage. That's
Look
a
at
naughty
the
looking sausage.
Saucy swans.
Look at that sausage on.
Scotch egg. Whoa, what are they? What are they? Oh, they're like fried rice. Rice balls.
Rice balls.
Long-legged prawns.
Wow.
Whoa.
Scallops.
Hello.
Sadika. Good, how are you? Wow, look at that. Wow.
So cool, aren't they so tiny? What are they called? Kusuma. Tied
Wow,
up.
how strange.
We've got pork knuckle.
Pork knuckle and rice.
That looks so good. Crazy. Spring rolls. Ooh, pork belly. Pork fillet. Spare rib.
Vietnamese spring rolls.
Oh really? Oh yeah, look.
Sadika.
Corn. Steamed corn.
Gotta get that corn fix in ya.
Oh, that smells lovely.
It does, yeah.
Warong.
Like a warong, isn't it? Indo style.
That's a curries, it looks like.
Nice curries, yeah.
Look like this.
Wow.
No.
People are wondering how they eat with skin. I just take the skin off, you eat the meat inside.
Oh.
It's like a bake because I put the lemongrass and copper leaf inside.
Wow.
So I smell the herb like that.
Yeah.
Wow.
You look at the eye fish. It's no frozen, you look at the eye.
Ah, I easy.
Maybe you try I promote, you know, maybe you come back later.
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Kappa.
Medium.
Medium for 60 baht. Is that Hogsip? Hogsip baht? 6.
Yeah, I think
60?
so.
Yes, please.
Fried garlic.
Yes, please. Yeah, amazing.
Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Whoa.
Oh. Yeah.
Who's going first?
Huh? Me?
Yeah.
Whatever.
Check, 1, 2, 1.
Did you get all in?
Check.
Okay. 5.
It is nice though. But there's more dough than anything else, you know? Some
A little bit of
sushi.
sushi. Very technical, this procedure.
Isn't it? Very precise.
I think it's only 10 baht a piece.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
We've got ones with century eggs.
Oh god, blimey. Only 8 baht a piece.
8
Got
bahts,
some,
yeah.
got some little bits for free. Yeah, it's only 80 baht for
Yeah,
all that.
2 free, wasn't it?
Blimey, not even 2 quid.
So good,
About 2
isn't it?
quid, yeah, about 2 quid.
We are a bit of sushi snobs,
We like
aren't
the
we?
whole Thai sushi because they just put the most random crap in
I
anything.
know. Do you see those Angry Bird ones?
don't they? Yeah.
What we got, guys? Mixture. Not a phone.
No.
No.
No? What's up with it?
You'll know when you eat it.
Okay. No, I don't know.
It's not sushi rice, I don't think.
No, very well.
Why wouldn't it be?
It wouldn't be that sound that cheap, would it? If it was sushi, right?
Got one squid, one.
I really regret that it's fine.
Not chewy.
Nice.
Oh, that's good. Mayonnaise.
Fiery mayonnaise, yeah, very nice.
Okay. Nice sauce.
Yeah? Does that mean you just need something to overtake the rice? And then it's good. If you're coming to the market like this, just avoid the sushi.
Yeah.
Just avoid it. Just go to the sushi restaurant.
Either tuna mayonnaise.
Oh, that kind of talking about.
Yeah, better. Should have left that one till last.
That is a bang bang.
Yeah? I might keep mine till last then if that's the case. You dunk it for me.
I completely forgot. Imitation crab meat.
It's alright.
Straight out of a can, straight on the sushi, straight in your gob.
Yeah, the best bit.
Yeah. Overall, your sushi experience here? Overall, your sushi experience? Out of 10?
I give that 3. I think we're gonna get some nice crispy pork, aren't we?
Some pork, yeah, to finish her off.
Yes.
Should have came here for the sushi, shouldn't we?
Yeah, it looks really nice.
I know, look at the
sashimi.
sashimi. Bloody hell.
Pork belly, yeah?
Pork belly, yeah?
Pork belly. Deep fried sandwiches.
Bloody
That's
yeah.
crazy. Oh, freshy.
Is it monkey?
60 baht.
60 baht.
One portion.
One portion.
Kapunka. Oh yeah?
Look at it.
Does look tasty, doesn't
Oh,
it?
it's going to put about 10
Fresh
stone
out of the
eating
fryer.
it.
Is it really hot?
Very hot.
Oh god, this is the typical for Anthony. He just shoves it in his gob when it's way too hot. Nice. Very happy? What would you rate it?
9.
Really?
Yeah, no
That's
sauce needed either.
Oh yeah, I didn't come
No
with sauce
sauce.
either. She knows, she's confident.
She knows, yeah. Well, yeah, exactly.
Come on. Oh, that is hot. Whoa. Oh my god.
That is nice, isn't it?
That was really good.
9?
Hell yeah. That was banging.
60 baht as well for all of that.
I want 200 grams.
Sad moment, isn't it? It's all finished.
The last piece.
Oh
my god. That was like the best thing.
To die for.
Yeah, we've had in ages, I think.
Come to Naka Market and get that.
Yeah, literally. Right, so we are pretty full now, so we're just gonna have a look at the rest of the market. There's loads more clothes area, isn't there?
Yeah.
So,
And also
yes.
some jewellery
And
stores, I
jewellery,
think.
yeah. Yeah, whatever it's called, I don't know. Souvenirs here, that's for sure.
They've got a lot of souvenir bits, haven't
Yeah, paintings, lanterns,
they? Look at these women.
Supreme.
Oh, Stussy, 6-pack coming soon, that's what I need.
The Changs. Changs everywhere. Oh, mini
table.
pool table.
Oh, some of these are cool, aren't they? Jenga.
Look, tuk-tuk made out of a Chang can.
Whoa, that's
So
sick.
cool.
That's a tuk-tuk
One way to
made out of a
recycle.
Heineken can inside a Heineken can.
And a Fanta
Mental.
one, Chang one,
Lucky cat.
Nike cat, lovely. These are cool.
Wow, look at the like minute really.
Look at these.
Linko it's
So
called.
cute.
Okay. I guess like a knockoff
Looks
leather.
like Lego, yeah. Link. Oh my god, yeah, literally has the same font and everything. How funny. Yoda.
Space Wars.
No way. Oh, cool.
Yeah, Star Plan.
Star Plan.
Yeah, it's in Star Wars.
That is so funny. Pokemoo. It's a Deadpool one. Deadpool Pikachu. Polonaises. Polonaises.
Want some polonaise and like chips.
That's so funny.
Wow, some of these things are well cool.
I mean, it's a good sized market, isn't it? It has a lot of everything. I like that crochet bag. With the flowers. How lovely.
Wow, look at
Oh, your mum would love that.
what's all that stuff then? I don't know.
Stainless steel.
Stainless steel. Prices are cheap as hell though. You get sunglasses and glasses for like 100 baht.
I know.
200
You get
baht.
wallets for 100 baht as
I
well.
know. Yeah, I like it a lot. Do you like it? Oh, he's so cute, isn't he? Look at his little face. Oh, what are they? If anyone in the comments knows what they are, I think it's quite difficult for you guys, is it? Just let us know. Funky tails though, right?
Whoa.
This market is absolutely massive, isn't it?
I know. I mean, we have not seen, I don't even think even half of it yet.
No, I know. It's
It goes on and on and on.
a lot of clothes bits, isn't there?
Yeah,
Lots of
tons.
clothes. A lot of sunglasses as
A
well.
lot of sunglasses.
Especially as it's not even that sunny at the moment. Oh, look at that. Map of Thailand in a shell.
Look how this big boy.
I know. Real shells as well, apparently. So guys, we are back at the trusty steed, aren't we?
Trusty Click, Honda Click.
Trusty Click, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. I would recommend Naka Market. Personally, I don't think it's the best market. I would say Chilva, which we've already got a video. We'll stick that out there
Yeah, so
now.
there's a lot more food options.
I'd say Chilva's a better market. If you're looking for much more of a
Yeah.
local experience, Chilva's definitely the one to go for. It's much bigger as well, and it's just a lot more variety and stuff
a
that's
bit
there.
more of a vibe as well.
Yeah, they got better music, better food in my opinion. It's definitely not as touristy as well, which I think is probably why it's better.
Which is surprising.
But
to be fair, but
yeah, I mean if Naka's your weekend option, then it's still really
yeah,
good.
definitely still worth coming.
Yeah.
For sure, because they have everything here. You know.
Yeah. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe if you did. Let us know why you didn't like it if you didn't, and see you in the next one.
See you next one, guys. Bye bye.